So, on our way to tunnels, and we're gonna, in Kiryat Gat, we're gonna be crawling through them, tunnels that Barkova crawled through when he was escaping somewhere else, who I don't remember. And so the trip so far has been great. Yesterday we went and we went to Bermuda and we went shopping at San Antonio Mall. It's really fun. And yeah, on Friday, we went to the city of David, near David, which is where King David he made his home and his stronghold against the Assyrians when they came and laid siege, and we crawled through a tunnel that they used for water 2,000 years ago. So that's cool. This has been an amazing trip so far, and it's going to be even better as we go. Yeah. Bye.